let's play around with the echo command in Linux. And here we are in our folder. I'm going to go to work here in our desktop and work here. This is an awesome command called echo. And what it does is it just echoes. Type echo. Hi. Hi. Echo. Hi there. Hi there. Echo. Little old lady who. Little old lady who. Little old lady who. Okay. You get the idea what echo does. It's not a very complicated idea. Well, in most computer languages, we use echo in order to output text. Sometimes we use console log if you're using JavaScript. Okay. All right. Well, this is a nifty little thing here I can do. I'm going to type ls to see that we have nothing in the folder. And see we have nothing in the folder. I'm going to type ls. And then I'm going to type echo. Hello world. And I'm going to send that into some file, which is right here. Now watch the file magically appear. Look at that. Now, like we learned in our last lesson with cat, I can find out what's inside that file by typing cat, some file. And there it is. See? Hello world is what's inside the file. Now, I could also use get-it, double-click on that, and open up the text editor to see what's there. See? It's the same thing. That's there. I could use nano to see what's inside some file. Oh, look, there it is. Hello world, Control X to exit. I could use Vim if I want to be funky and awesome to edit the file. Oh, it's open here. So Vim is yelling at me. It's open somewhere, you sure? Okay. Hello world. There it is. And I press :Q. I type :Q to exit because that's how awesome Vim is. All right. I can do all that. Cat is the easy way to see what's in the file. Okay. Well, I can do a little bit more with this. Remember, if I were to echo, in fact, I'm going to use my up arrow to scroll back through my history and find little old lady who, and I'm going to put that into some file. Okay, echo. Now notice, if I'm sending it into the file, I don't see output in the terminal because this is saying send. Normally you get this output or this output. It's saying, no. I don't want that output in the terminal. Don't echo into the terminal. Echo it into this tin can here, this file. Echo it into this file here. That's why you don't see output in the terminal. Echo little lady who, echo little lady who, nothing, because we sent the echo into the file. Now, this was written over before we echoed hello world into the file, and that's what was there. But we just echoed something else. So this changed. So when I click here, we're going to get our message. Oh, something changed in the file while you were editing it. Reload. Now I have little lady who. Now let's say I want to add something. I can echo add something into some file. Let's see how that works. There we go. Now when I click this to refresh it, reload, now I've got add something, but look at that. It didn't add anything because I didn't use my double arrow. So if I do this again, add something really this time, okay, now we're going to get add something really this time echoed in the file. Click here, reload, there it is. I could do little old lady who, but don't use the single or it'll replace it. Double, put it in the file. Reload. Now we got little lady who. So this is a way that you can use echo to put text directly into a file in Linux without needing the editor. Now we saw it in the editor here, but we never needed to use this to edit anything. We did all that in the file. In fact, let's see what's in this file here without editing anything. Cat some file. Here we go. Look at that. And the terminal shows us what's in that file right there. Echo in Linux.